Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to the another one. And as you can see here, we got the new just screen folder. And just to add one more application here, you can hold for a while the app and drag it to this application, and by this way you can add more applications here on your folder. Also, you can give a name to this folder, for example the apps. Tap here to done, and as you can see, we just get here the changes, and our name of our folder just changed successfully to the another one. Also, if you want to just move this folder here on the screen, you can do it by this way. Just hold for a while the folder and drag it to the position where you want to adjust it to. Also, we can create the new screen with our folder. Also, we can just move it here to our home screen, and if you want, we can go back, sure. And just to remove the app from here, hold it for a while, just open the folder, hold the application and drag it here or here to the remove icon, for example. But as you can see here, we got the message that our item is removed from our home screen, but don't worry, this this application stay here with us on our apps menu. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.